This is Deborah Yo from the Toronto Star, and I'm talking to Aygul Memet, who just got through to the finals on Canada's Got Talent.
Finals. Here is Aygul Memet. What is the art form called? I don't want to miscall
It's hula hoop. I escaped the Chinese circus 2004. When my daughter, my husband came to Canada, I'm so happy. I love Canada.
This competition means a lot to her.
Her technique is invisible. She's absolutely flawless.
She is here to amaze you kids. Do not try this at home. Here to light up our stage, it's Aygul Memet. Aygul Memet, ladies and gentlemen, another standing ovation. Beautiful, Aygul.
Is coming, the fabulous and dazzling Aygul Memet! Woo! Of Aygul Memet, presented by Zero Gravity Circus.